Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your TVT DVR or NVR password using the dynamic password method.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.
First of all, go to the login screen of your DVR or NVR and click on the Retrieve Password option. A new window will appear. Here, select the Dynamic Password tab. On this page, you'll find important device information, including the model number, MAC address, current date and time, and a field for entering the dynamic password. Now, take a clear screenshot of this page. Make sure all the information is visible in the screenshot. Next, visit the official TVT website and find the email address of the TVT technical support team. Send them the screenshot you just captured. After receiving your email, the support team will verify the information and usually send you a dynamic password within about 30 minutes. Once you receive the password, return to the same dynamic password page on your DVR or NVR. Enter the password exactly as provided by the support team and then click OK or press Enter. If the password is correct, your device will be unlocked successfully, and you will be able to create a new password and regain access to your system. And that's it! Your password reset process is now complete. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more DVR and NVR tutorials. If you have any questions or face any issues during the process, leave a comment below. I'll do my best to help you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.